Hey y'all, so today I want to show you guys how I make my quick weave wigs, and I'm going to use this hair by Sensational, and it is body wave, and it's a closure bundle deal. It comes with the complete pack. I think it's 3 bundles, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch, and it is and a lace closure. So it's called Bare and Natural, I think it is, but the brand is Sensational, and it's supposedly 100% virgin human hair. I don't know if it's virgin, but it is human hair, and it's really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair, and then I'll get into how I make the wig and sew down the closure and then glue the tracks together. So stay tuned. So she paid $44.99 for this. The regular price you see there was $99. They do have this in longer length, and the longer the length, of course, the more it costs. And you can, of course, dye it, perm it, put heat on it, and it's reusable because it is human hair. So it's really good. I mean, it's not the best of the best, but it's really good. So I am going to use a dome cap, and I get the men's size because it is a little bigger than the ladies' dome cap, and I feel like it is more versatile for myself, but for her I use the ladies spandex. It's called a mesh dome style cap. It's really breathable. It was $3.99 from the hair store. So it just depends. Her head is smaller than mine, so that's why she got the ladies one. And then I'm going to use my nylon thread and needles, and then I am going to use the super hair bond glue. You guys know this glue. They make it in different brands now, but just a 30-second glue. I'm also going to use, you'll see me use the Got To Be glue spray to help, hold it down. So here we go. So this closure, of course, is not plucked. So I am going to pluck it a little bit. You'll see later in the video, and customize it for her. To protect your dome cap, your dome head, you want to make sure if you're using the glue that you put some plastic of some sort. I just use a Walmart bag to make sure that the glue don't seep through the cap onto my dome head and get stuck and then have to pull it and all that good jazz. So there's a couple ways to do it, but this is the quickest way for me. I just start with the first option and go from side to side, but you can also do, like I was kind of showing you really quickly there, where you can start with the smaller tracks like you normally would when you're sewing, and cut it off at the nape and go up. But because this is a quick wig, I don't do that when I'm gluing it down. So I pin it in place, and then I get to gluing. Once I get to the top of the head, you'll see I start to use smaller sections to kind of shape it towards, you know, the dome part of the top of the centerpiece, and start going in like a U, kind of, not like a full U. But here's the finished wig, untouched, just finished. I'm gluing it down. So now I'm going to cut the inside of the cap, the dome cap, where the closure is. So here is the final look. It looks really good. I mean, again, it's not the best closure, but I think it looks really natural after we added some makeup. And here's the back of the hair before it was styled. Unfortunately, I did not have the finished style look. If I can find some, I'll put it in here. But thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and check out another one of my quick videos.